That little green button there. There you go.
0 feet altitude. 0 feet distance.
Love it.
5 feet altitude. 1 feet distance. 1 miles per hour. 98% battery.
You're a little daring. We didn't put the bumpers on now. 150 feet straight up. Make sure the trees, I don't think the trees are above you.
165 feet altitude. 406 feet distance. 78% battery.
Does this green line mean coming back towards you?
It's supposed to be the map, but it's blank.
Yeah, GPS isn't
181
kicking
feet
in.
altitude.
But yeah, that green line
455
would be
feet
back towards
distance.
me.
4 miles per hour.
It's just not showing the terrain.
77% battery. Feet altitude. 479 feet distance. 6
there it
miles
is.
per hour. 2 miles per hour.
2 feet
74%
altitude?
battery.
It's got to be way off.
Yeah, a little bit.
Nice.
1 feet altitude. 421 feet distance.
Oh, isn't that neat?
25 miles per hour. 73% battery.
Ho, ho.
36 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 72% battery.
It's neat. Goes up quick.
6 feet altitude. 487 feet distance. 8 miles per hour. 69% battery.
Want to push the altitude?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
6 miles per hour. 68% battery.
Have to try that other antenna too.
Because I got trees on either side of me, so.
No, just go, come over the 100-yard berm and just go straight up. See, just be careful.
265 feet altitude. 206 feet distance. 3 miles per hour.
There it is.
66% battery.
Oh my God, I'll get dizzy looking up. Oh, that is.
Pointing right at it.
Won't climb anymore?
No, I'm moving. About,
371
Just watch
feet
your signal.
altitude.
it says it's 18.
100% battery.
Straight down.
$165 feet altitude.
There you go.
112 feet distance.
You're back in control,
6
right?
miles per hour. 56% battery. Altitude. 53 feet distance. 2 miles per hour.
You ever see on YouTube where the guys land them and catch them with their hands?
Yeah.
Little dangerous. I'm standing behind you.
Yeah.
I'm standing behind you. There you go. There comes my baby. Stops like it's got air brakes.
Minus 5 feet altitude.
Wonder why the GPS isn't
Minus
coming up.
6 feet altitude.
In the map.
230 feet distance.
Comes up at the
0 miles
house.
per hour.
Yeah.
46% battery.